Hi, Attorney Jeffrey Randa back with another installment of 2-Minute Legal, and today I want to talk about our driver's license restoration and clearance appeal first time win guarantee. There's really not a lot to say about it other than that if we take your case, we guarantee to win it. That's great. It means you don't risk your money. It means there's no question like, what are my chances, or do you think I can win, or how does it look? We're banking on winning because our guarantee means that if we don't win the first time around, we are obligated to file your case again next year without further legal fee and forever and however long thereafter until you do win. In other words, when we take a case, we guarantee to win it and we're stuck with it. Now, the last thing we want to do is obligate ourselves to taking a case that can't be made into a winner, because by the time we wind up having to do a case all over again the next time for free, that precisely doubles our work and cuts our pay in half. We bank on winning our cases the first time. And in fact, because of that guarantee, we are as invested in your success as you are. We want you to win. There is literally no benefit for us to take a case that can't be made into a winner. Now, there's another benefit to that. And it means that we won't take a case that can't be made into a winner. We're not interested in someone trying to BS their way through the license appeal process. We're going to carefully screen to make sure a person has quit drinking and is really committed to remaining alcohol free. Because we're not only putting our name on your paperwork and our reputation behind it, we're also obligating ourselves to stick with this case. And above and beyond not wanting to do double work for half pay, nor do we want to pour our hearts and souls into a case for someone who's BSing their way through it or lying about their sobriety. So our guarantee is both a protection for the person who hires us and a protection for us to never get tempted to take a case just for a payday. Hope that helps in your decision making. Thanks for watching.